So, students, let us continue. So, we were discussing the last example, like we are creating one header, and this will be displayed on the top of the web page. That is sample script for hyperlink demonstration. And the tag, anchor tag, A tag, the IK Gujarat Punjab Technical University. This will be displayed as the hyperlink, and this is the reference or the URL at which the page will be transferred. Okay, so now we will see the how the output will look like. So this is how the web page will be displayed on the screen to begin with. You can see that the title or the header, sorry, in fact the header is given at the top, that is the sample script for hyperlink demonstration, and at the bottom you can see that a hyperlink is available right here, that is IK Gujarat Punjab Technical University. It is blue in color because it has not been clicked even once. So when we will click on it, you can see that the processing has started. Like if you see it here. So this shows that I have clicked on it. So the processing has started and we are getting redirected to the web page, that is ptu.ac.in. And in the end, what you will see is that we have been successfully redirected to this page. If I press on the back, like it is given on the web browser here, if I press on the back button right here, then I will be redirected back to the original previous web page, that is this one. So this is a very basic and simple demonstration of how a hyperlink actually works. And there is not much to explain in this. It is only for you to practice that how you can implement the hyperlink. Okay. The next, let us focus now, is HTML image use map attribute. So this is where we are starting with how we can use the image as a hyperlink. तो इसमें हम लोग HTML image के अंदर we will be using one attribute which is called the use map attribute. So first of all, let us understand what is the use map attribute. The use map attribute of the image tag in HTML defines the client side image map in the form of an image. So what we are trying to create is we are trying to create an image map. The image map is an image with the clickable area. So generally when we display an image, so it is displayed on the screen, but you cannot perform any action on the image. But what we want is that we want that the image be treated as a clickable area. That means if I click on it, some kind of an action is performed. That is, we can create an image area that is responsive to the mouse click. So mouse click is an event. What is the meaning of an event? जब हम माउस को मूव करते हैं, माउस को क्लिक करते हैं, these all are events, and based upon these events some kind of action needs to be performed. तो अब हम लोग सिंपल इमेज कैसे बनाते हैं वो देख चुके हैं. So what happens here is that with the help of use map attribute, मैं इमेज को एक रिस्पॉन्सिव इमेज में बना रहा हूं विच विल रिस्पॉन्ड व्हेन अ यूजर विल क्लिक ऑन इट. राइट. द यूज मैप attribute of the image tag must be associated with the map tag's name or id attribute to create a relationship between the image and the map. So do not get too much confusion about it. So when we will see an example, everything will be clear. Right. We can use the use map attribute as follows, like here. So the image attribute is used to create an image, and the use map is used to define the map, and then you can give the name of the map. Right. So what is the map? tag. Now that is what we are going to study. The map tag in HTML is used to specify the client-side image map. An image map is an image with clickable area. That is something we already know. We can create an image area that is responsive to the mouse click, total repeat of what we have done. The name attribute of the map. So within the map tag, we are talking about an attribute which is called the name, is associated with the image use map. It is used to create the relationship between the image and the map. ठीक है, तो अब हम इन दोनों के बीच में एक रिलेशनशिप बनाने जा रहे हैं, एक इमेज एट्रीब्यूट और मैप एट्रीब्यूट के बीच में. द मैप टैग फर्दर contains the number of area elements or tags that are used to specify the clickable area. हमें clickable area जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूं, क्या मैं पूरी इमेज की बात कर रहा हूं और क्या मैं इमेज के किसी एक पार्ट की बात कर रहा हूं, हमें वो एरिया भी डिफाइन करना होता है. ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज द एरिया टैग देन? What is the area tag? The area tag of the HTML is used to define the area within in an image map, which is an image with a clickable area. Like we have said, the area element is always nested inside the or contained within the map tag. यानी जो आपने मैप बनाया है उसके बीच में नेस्ट या उसके बीच में डिफाइन किया जाता है एरिया. So let us start with an example. Now in this example, I request every student to focus because this is the last thing that we are going to do today. And after that, I expect that most of you will be ready to start designing your own web pages. Right? So here we are. First of all, using this line, what we are achieving? We are achieving the header, Punjab Technical University, it will be displayed. Okay. Then we are using the tag called image tag. The image tag is used to insert an image inside the HTML page. What is the source of the image? यानी image का नाम क्या है, उसका path क्या है, जहां से हमें image को उठाना है. तो we are saying that the name of the image is ptu1.jpg. The width it will be 145 and the height will be 126, and use map is equals to ptu map. So this is specifying the name of the map that we are going to use. Right? So let's move further. The map name is equals to ptu map. So we are ready to create a map. Okay, so what will be the name of that map? Will be ptu map. Area shape is equal to rectangle. So what will be the shape of that map? That will be rectangle. What will be the value of the coordinates? The value of the coordinate is 0 0. What is 0 0? This is specifying the top left position of the screen. जब आपकी लैपटॉप या आपकी मोबाइल स्क्रीन है, अगर मैं उसके टॉप लेफ्ट कॉर्नर की बात करता हूं तो वो लेफ्ट से कितनी दूर है और वो टॉप से कितनी दूर है, तो दैट मीन्स इट इज 0 0. दैट मीन्स आई एम डिफाइनिंग द लेफ्ट टॉप पोजीशन ऑफ योर स्क्रीन. देन रेक्टेंगल का सेकंड कोऑर्डिनेट, दैट मीन्स व्हाट विल बी द विड्थ. 0 से कितनी विड्थ होगी? 145. एंड हाइट कितनी होगी? 0 से 126. सो दिस इज सेम एज द हाइट ऑफ द योर इमेज. जब आप इमेज को प्लेस करेंगे तो द इमेज विल ऑटोमेटिकली बी प्लेस्ड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ योर स्क्रीन. तो जो हम एरिया मैप भी डिफाइन कर रहे हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0 0 ऑफ द इमेज टू 145 एंड 126. यानी जो आपका इमेज है उस इमेज का 0 by 0, यानी इमेज जहां से स्टार्ट होती है उस पॉइंट से लेकर 145 विड्थ एंड 0 से लेकर 126 हाइट, which is also same as the height and width of your image. यानी मैं पूरी की पूरी इमेज को ही मैप बना रहा हूं. इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि आप अपनी इमेज के ऊपर कहीं पर भी क्लिक करेंगे, then it will respond. Right? So this is creation of the image. We are going to use the ptu map. This is the map we have defined. There is another image. here. Now this one is for the PTU and this is one for the GNDU. The height and width is the same. The map name is GNDU map. And then we are going to define what will be the size of the map. That is again the same as that of the image. So पूरी की पूरी image जो है वो define हो जाएगी and that is the end of it. This HTML contains two image maps according to the maps are defined with the names PTU map and GNDU map. And both these maps are associated with the image maps and everything has been explained. So this is all is being repeated. Now comes the most important part that you can see is so how we are going to define the H reference attribute. So what is the H reference attribute? The H reference attribute suggests that what will happen if I click on it. Okay, तो अगर मैं उसके ऊपर क्लिक करता हूं तो क्या करना है वो हमने देखना है. तो यहाँ पर आप ध्यान दीजिए, ये जो मैंने इमेज बनाई है in which there will be the image of PTU1 and GNDU. The name of the HTML is universities.html. Please note this down. The name of this page is universities.html. There is another page that we are now creating is called the htptu.html. So obviously initially what will happen is that the one page will be displayed and then we are moving towards the second part, which is welcome to the Punjab Technical University. The image source is ptu.jpg. I hope you all remember what is the meaning of alt. The meaning of alt is that in case the image is not displayed on the screen due to some error, then this alternative text will be displayed on the screen that image could not be opened. On clicking the image map GNDU map, the H reference attribute of the area tag inside the map link will open the GNDU page. ठीक है, तो अब हमें GNDU का यहाँ पर बताना है. तो आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कि जब मैंने एरिया डिफाइन किया है तो उस एरिया जब एरिया को डिफाइन किया है तो उसके पीछे एच रेफरेंस एट्रीब्यूट भी बताया है. एच रेफरेंस का मतलब क्या है कि जब मैं इस एरिया के अंदर क्लिक करूंगा तो द पेज दैट शुड ओपन इज ptu.html और जब मैं GNDU मैप के एरिया मैप पे क्लिक करूंगा तो GNDU की इमेज शुड ओपन. So this is how it is displayed. So let us start. So this is how initially the web page will open. यहाँ पर अब आपको समझाने के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर हेल्प ले रहा हूँ इमेजेस की. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सा अपना फोकस यहाँ पर बढ़ाएं. तो आपकी जो PTU की इमेज है वो यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक डिस्प्ले हो रही है और जहाँ तक आपकी GNDU की इमेज है वो यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक डिस्प्ले हो रही है. तो what is this? This is the 0x0 of the image and ये जो है that is 145 to 126. 145 is the width and 126 is the height. Similarly, GNDU image, this is 0x0 and this is 145 by 126. अगर मैं let us suppose यहाँ पर क्लिक करता हूँ then the PTU map जो मैंने बनाया था that will become active और अगर मैं यहाँ पर क्लिक करता हूँ तो then the GNDU map will become active. So अगर मैं इसके ऊपर क्लिक करता हूँ तो PTU map which is a clickable area will send me or redirect me to which web page? It will redirect me to ptu.html. और अगर मैं यहाँ पर क्लिक करता हूँ तो it will redirect me to GNDU.html. Right. तो अभी क्या करते हैं तो let us see what happens if a user clicks on this. Now the page consists of two image maps. On clicking on the first image map, अगर मैं first image map पर क्लिक करता हूँ तो this is the output that I will see. I have been redirected to which page? ptu.html. How do I know that I am at ptu.html? ये यहाँ पर बताया गया है. Currently I am at ptu.html. और अगर हम लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं तो initially where was I? I was at universities.html web page. So that naturally means कि first image map पर click करने से I have been redirected to ptu.html, and if I click on the second one, which is gnu map, then I will be redirected to gnu.html. So अब यहाँ पर बात ये हो रही है कि if I am creating the text hyperlink, then within the a tag I am going to specify the h reference. And in case if I am using the image tag, then within the image map, जो image map नहीं, जो मैं map बना रहा हूं, उस map के अंदर मैं h reference दे सकता हूं. So this is what is the answer to one of the question that was initially asked. That means in case if I am using a clickable area within the image, then I will use the map tag to specify the reference. So with this, we come to the end of the, you can say, lab session today. And now I request everyone that you have a 1 week's time, and depending upon whatever topic that is of your interest, whatever topic that you feel like that you can do, आप उस पर जाकर अपने किसी भी टॉपिक के ऊपर आप अपनी पर्सनल वेब पेज बनाना चाहते हैं, आप एक यूनिवर्सिटी का वेब पेज, एक डिपार्टमेंट का वेब पेज, या आप वैसे ही कोई जनरल सी वेबसाइट बनाना चाहते हैं, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ HTML जितने भी टॉपिक्स हमने यहाँ पर किए हैं आप उनको डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. तो आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक, and I will try to share these notes and whatever video lectures that have happened so far with you after this lecture within next 15 minutes. Thank you.